Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use layout for WhatsApp status. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Then tap updates from bottom menu. To create a new status, tap camera icon on bottom right or tap plus sign on top left beside add status. Here under recents, you will see text, layout, voice and camera. Tap layout. To start layout, choose up to 6 photos for your layout. Now choose photos one by one. Right now you can choose up to 6 photos. Tap tick sign when 6 photos selected. Immediately you will see 6 photos in one layout. You can choose 5 photos layout, 2 photos layout, 3 photos layout and 4 photos layout. By drag and drop you can rearrange photo. Tap done on top right. Now you can add caption and tap send button to update your status. So these are the steps to use layout for WhatsApp status. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.